Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be cleaning my engine bay. I haven't showed this car on the channel yet. I don't think. If you don't follow me on Instagram, then you won't know about it. I picked up a new track toy, so I no longer track the 9th gen Accord. So now I'm tracking this. This is a 5th generation Accord, same generation as Champagne, my daily. But this is a 97, so yeah. I picked this up about 2 months ago, and I took it to a track day last Sunday. Took it to Buttonwillow, and we did configuration 13 CW, or clockwise. Yeah, it was a fun experience. This is my first track car that is like raw, no assist. Like the coupe has like, yeah, my coupe has traction control system. So pretty much, if the car feels like it's gonna slide or pretty much spin, it'll cut power to the front wheels, and it would slow my times down. It would slow down my times a lot at the tracks, but it did save me a lot. So it hid my mistakes. But this car, when I took it to Buttonwillow, first I didn't catch it on my GoPro because I didn't have my other GoPro mount with me. But my first session and my first lap of the day, I actually did a 360 drift right into the dirt with this car, and super humbling experience. It just shows, like, you know, I need more driver mod to drive this car. I did a 220 around Buttonwillow. That was my best lap with this car. It was 220.9, so almost a 221. This car definitely has more time in it. I just need to learn how to drive it. So yeah, I'm kind of itchy for another track day. But yeah, we're gonna clean the engine bay because I spun out into the dirt like an idiot. Oh, I kind of want to put this on my head. Yep, and that's pretty much what I'm running. This is a JDM F22B non-VTEC single cam. It has a DC header, AM intake, and that's it really. Just everything else is all suspension. I got the Ultra Racing. Is Ultra Racing? Yeah, Ultra Racing 3-point strut bar, and I have a front and rear sway bar, which is by I think it's ST Suspensions or something like that. And then I have the innovative traction bar down there, as well as the I have hard race front and rear camber kits, and there's a few other things on this car. But yeah, it got really dusty when I went into the dirt, so it was worse than this. But luckily it happened on the first lap in the first session of the day, because most of the dirt flew off the rest of the day. I didn't actually go off the rest of the day because I got really scared, and I was just taking it easy. So yeah, I'm just gonna clean it up. I have some simple green here in the tub, and I'm gonna mix it with my spray bottle. Yeah, I'm just gonna mix it up in a spray bottle, and then I'm just gonna go to town and just spray down and wipe everything. All right, so just gonna shake this up real good and just start spraying. Make sure your engine's cold when you do this. Don't want to burn yourself. I'm so sorry, car. I am so sorry. I got you so dirty. It's my fault. Acting like I'm the shit on the track. Jeez, my battery is so dirty. Alright, we got some detail brushes here. I picked this up at O'Reilly's. I think it was like $7.99 or $6.99. Can't remember. But these should do the job. Let's get the big one. Get the big one and start going to town. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, for sure. For sure. What are all these plugs right here? Interesting. I think this needs more water. I'll be right back. So nice and clean. Now I need to go get the hose. So now I need to go get the hose. Yeah. The fuck? There you go. Nice. Looks a lot cleaner.
Looks nice and clean from here.
Yeah. Just gotta dry it up now. Gonna wipe the body first. The fuck? Boom, there it is. I finished spraying it down, brushing it out, and it looks a lot cleaner. I just dried it and pulled it in. Yeah, honestly, all you got to do is cover your terminals with aluminum foil. You don't have to disconnect it. That is totally fine. I actually accidentally sprayed the simple green onto there, and I was just brushing it out. I let the car sit for a bit and I let it dry off. But yeah, I just took a hose and I just sprayed it all down, or all the simple green off. Much cleaner ish. There you go. Got some light. Pretty clean. Thank you. We're just gonna walk around the car, I guess. It's on Advent RGs. I think these are the OG ones, RG ones. When I got this car, I had stock mirrors, so the only thing I did to this car was I added the Ganador rep mirrors. I put my VTEC Club sticker on this car. Tanabe, it has a Tanabe muffler, and I think it's like a custom piping. It has a Magnaflow cat, so it is pretty loud. But to be honest, it's not as loud as the other cars on the track, which is funny. But like, if I drive this on the street, it's pretty rumbly or drony. I have a Sparco Evo 2 seat. Well, it's pretty comfortable, and I have a seat belt from the previous owner said this was from an EK Civic, and what he did was he just looped it around to this guy, and then put it back into the stock location, or bolted it back to the stock location. This is how you have to run a stock seat belt when you have a bucket seat in your car. If you have a stock seat belt, this is so you don't submarine under the car, like submarine through your seat if you get into an accident. Has a Momo steering wheel, which is pretty nice. I like it, but I noticed when I was driving, it has these thumb grips right here, super comfortable. But whenever like the car kicked out on me, it kind of got in the way. But I mean, I think I'm gonna just get used to it because I really like this wheel. And the horn works. I'm not gonna do it right now. This is a Forbidden shifter, short shifter. Came off of a Prelude, and it has I think this is the hybrid racing teardrop. No. It is the Battlecraft. Sorry, Battlecraft teardrop shift knob. Yeah, pretty comfortable when I'm driving on track. It's pretty nice. It's firm. And this car has no AC at all, no cruise control. This is an LX model. It only has 128,000 miles, which is it's pretty believable because I looked under the car and it's really clean. And yeah, made it to this is a Euro R Trans T2W4. Made it to the JDM non-VTEC F22B motor, single cam, and it does pretty good. It's kind of like the Accord's version of a B20 non-VTEC, and like I don't know, would you say LS Trans or GSR Trans? Yeah, it moves around. It's not as fast as like the lightweight Civics and stuff. Yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. I think my next video I'm just gonna upload the full session at Buttonwillow. Not the full session, but one of my sessions, because all the other data got corrupted from the heat, which sucks, because I did a lot of I gave a lot of ride-alongs. I gave one for my girlfriend, got one for two of my buddies, and yeah, the data got corrupted. I had a few like cool clips in there. But yeah, I'll upload one of the sessions and then you guys can check it out. So yeah, with that being said, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.